Now we're going to add a little bit of flash powder and the actual stars. There we go. Now we're going to put a little bit of this paper stuff on top and stick the fuse in. So here we have the fuse, and we're going to wrap the paper around the fuse in the middle of it so the paper will touch the walls and make place for the hot glue. Now we hot glued the end plug and your shell is done. Now it just needs a lift charge. And for that we're going to be using this black powder right here. Here's our tube we're going to be firing out of, and I'm going to put the first fuse in and hot glue it. So now we're going to pour in about a gram of black powder. And now all we need to do is put this face down into the canister and light it off. Okay, let's go test it. So here we have the one I made, but I just cut off the top, and it is a 0.5 gram salute, so which means it has no stars in it, and it's just the flash powder. So it should work, and we'll test it out.